Hi friends, this is your Lesson 1 exit ticket. So if you remember from our practice in our learning video, we are going to be taking this picture and we're going to be putting it into a number bond. Now the most important thing I want you to remember is that these little bundles right here, or groups, they each equal 10. So you don't have to sit there and count all of those little strawberries. I am telling you that this equals 10 and this equals 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your 10s as one part of your number bond, and then your ones, which are these single ones right here, as the other part of your number bond. And then as we know, the top of our number bond is our whole. So for example, for this first problem, how many groups of 10 do you see? Well, I see a 10 right here and I see a 10 right here. So if I counted by tens and counted how many tens I have, I would have 10, 20. So I'm going to write the number 20 right here as this part of my number bond. Then I'm going to count up my ones. So I'm going to count these single or individual strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to be the other part of my number bond. So I have a 20 on this side for my two tens over here. And then I have an 8 on this side of my number bond for the 8 strawberries right here. So now I need to fill in my whole. So what is 20 plus 8? That's right, friends, it's 28. All right, friends, that's what I want you to do for the rest of these problems. Count how many tens you have, put that over here in the number bond, and then count your singles as the other. Now remember, you're not going to write a 3 right here, just like you didn't write a 2 right here. There are 2 groups of 10, but this equals 10 and this equals 10, so you need to count by tens. 10, 20. There are 2 groups of 10, which makes 20 strawberries as one of your parts, okay? If you're unsure how to do this, then go back to your learning video and watch it again.